Prestashop Affiliate and Referral Module. Grow your sales. Turn your customers into affiliates and boost sales effortlessly. Shareable referral links, codes, and vouchers for easy promotions. Fully customizable commission system for every affiliate. Track referrals and payouts easily from a user-friendly dashboard. Perfect tool to increase revenue and acquire new customers. This is Module Understanding video of Affiliate and Referral Module of Prestashop of Knowband. So here we are proceeding further to install the module first. To install the module first, we have to click on Module Manager tab. When you will click on it, you will have a screen, and there on the right top corner, you will find Upload a Module button. You have to click on it. Once you will click, you will find a pop-up like Select a File here. If you click, it will redirect you to the load, and there you have to choose the file and upload it here. Once the installation is complete, you will find a message like Module installed successfully. Then, if you refresh the page, you will find the module Activate on the left side menu, and there you will find the other configurations as well. The first tab is of Basic Configuration. When you will click, you will find the module in a disabled state by default since you have freshly installed a module. To enable the module, you have to enable this toggle and click on Save. It will show you a message like Setting has been saved successfully. Then next step, we are having compatibility with the Prestashop GDPR. In case you are having a module of Prestashop GDPR, then you can use the same with Affiliate and Referral Knowband module. This is compatible with it. Next, we are having is enable the affiliate registration. In case you have enabled this functionality and click on Save, it will show you a success message. Also, this functionality works like this will allow the new users to make the registration as an affiliate for your store. Next, we are having enable the affiliate referral for the customer group. Here you can choose who can register himself as an affiliate: visitors, guests, or customers. You can choose any, as per your preference. Next, select the referral system to be enabled. This is the method through which the affiliate can refer to any customer. So here we have given some options, and you can choose any of them, all of them, or as per your preference. Next, we are having enable sharing link with the Facebook. This is our social media platform, and it will help to refer the customer. The same is with the Twitter. If you will enable it, you will be able to refer your customer through the Twitter, through Pinterest, through Facebook. We have given 3 social media platforms to affiliate to refer their customers. Next is enable disable the affiliate after. If you will enable this field, you will have a field below the same disable affiliate after. Here you have to enter the number of days after which the affiliate will get disabled, and you will not get the commission from their reference. Next, disable enable multiple commissions. If you will enable it here, disable commission after whatever the commission affiliate were getting. You will not get after 10 orders, 5 orders, or 1,000 orders, whatever the count of orders you will mention here. Next, we are having global referral rate for the order placed. Whatever the order will be placed here, you have to enter the percentage, like 10% will be given to the admin of every order has been placed. Here, 5% will be given to your admin for every user registration. Next, generate voucher for affiliate customer on registration. If you will enable it, it will go coupon to the user. Next, we are having the global voucher type. This is a fixed in a percentage. So if you will enable the fixed, you have to enter the amount in the fixed. If you have entered the percentage, all the amount will be considered as percent. Next step, we are having a global voucher quantity. Here you have to enter the global voucher quantity, and the next we are having the permanent referral. This is enabled, and referral timeout will not work for the customer. Then order placed and user registration will be considered as a referral anytime. So here, then we are having a field by enabling the referral permanent referral. It will ask you have to mention the default status of every referral. Then you have to choose a method how the affiliate will consider their customer as a referral by being ordered placed or by doing just a registration. Then if you make it after making every configuration, you have to click on Save so that the settings will be saved and it will give a success message. Next, we are having the affiliate customer tab here. All the affiliate will be listed. Then whosoever affiliate has been referred here, referral listing will be done. Below that, we are having a commission listing. Commission details will be given in this tab and the request payout. It means affiliate can request their payout whatever they have been earned through referral. So when we have enabled every functionality, let's see how it works on the front end of the store. So first we have to make a registration. When the registration is done here, you will find a button registered for affiliate program. If you will click on it, it will show a pop-up for configuration. And if you make it okay, then you will be redirected to the affiliate dashboard on their account. And the affiliate will be given to the admin in the affiliate customer listing. And there by default, it will be disabled. Admin has to enable it and configure it to be accepted. Now, once admin has enabled the affiliate customer account, and you will refresh the affiliate account, it will show a dashboard like this. On the dashboard, you will find the total accepted commission, pending commission, redeemed commission, and payable commission. Also, you can configure and filter the details by giving the dates. Next, we are having the affiliate method. Here, all the method we have chosen. So we are able to see every method. Share the referral by code. Share the referral link. Share the referral voucher. Share the referral to Twitter and Pinterest. Share the referral through email or through message. This is a message that will be sent to the email body, whatever the email will be entered here. Let's suppose here we have entered the name and here we have entered the ID and click on save. So it is showing a message of email sent successfully, and this is how our email is being sent to the referral through the affiliate. When you will click on this link, then it will be redirected and make this customer a referral to their registered affiliate. So as you can see in the URL, a referral code is being pre-mentioned. Also, it has been pre-filled in the registration form. So when user will click on the given link, it will be redirected to the registration page where the referral code will be pre-filled. And upon doing the registration with that code, this customer will become a referral of the shared affiliate. This is the referral listing, and this is a customer how it is listed. So as you can see the email customer name and the status accepted, because we have mentioned accepted status in the general configuration. After doing the registration of the referral, as you can see, the total commission accepted is being shown on the affiliate dashboard. Also, the same is being mentioned in the commission details as well. This commission has been earned through the user registration, so if their affiliate referral account will place any order, that the percentage amount of commission will be given to the affiliate. So just place any order through any number, and that amount of percentage will be given to the customer when the order has been delivered. So just complete all the details and place an order. Now on the order status, you have to, as you can see, as soon as we have made the order placed here, you have find the order placed commission and user registration commission. Now moving to the payout tab on the voucher, if any voucher has been created. So you have to enter the amount whatever you will request to be payout. And the minimum payout request cannot be greater than 10, since we have mentioned in the general settings. So you have to make your commission more than 10, whatever is being requested for payout. So just place one more order with the highest amount, increase the quantity, and place the order as the minimum amount of payout has been set in the general configuration. That was 10 that we have mentioned. So after placing the order of the highest amount, what is the commission is being earned with this order. So go on the order, default make it to deliver. So that point can be awarded to the affiliate customer, refresh the page, go on the dashboard, and see the commission. Now it has been increased to the 9th. See the commission details, $2.613 has been given. Now we have the amount to request for payout. We can request for the 20th, generate the voucher. It will generate a voucher. This voucher can be used by the affiliate customer as a discount coupon of $20. It is fixed, the same we are having option of payout. Here, if you have requested a payout of 10 and click on payout, this request has been gone to the admin setting on the payout request. As you can see, it is in the pending when you click on action. They are two options to accept or reject. Depends on the admin what he has chose for their customer. So until is it accepted. It has been another process to complete their payout, which does not depend upon the Knowband affiliate and referral module. So this is how the Knowband affiliate module works for the Prestashop store. Thank you.